to survive in this world of discontent. I clean windows for a tenner crack. Fuck yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. I clean your PVC and block paving for a nifty 50. Fuck me, and nothing wrong with that fact. I walk the streets just watching and waiting for a sign or a glance. There's something that's cheap to reserves that pays well and is easy to lie. I clean alive. I clean windows for a tenner crack. Fuck yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. I clean you PVC and block paving for a nifty 50. Fuck me, and nothing wrong with that fact. I'm above you watching you walk on by, noticing the look on everyone's face. Oblivious to all concerned and involved, I look down on you, you are a part of this. I can't bear to hope I don't get back climbing this ladder like a rat. I might just fall down as you